Easy English Life. Unit 2. Countries and Nationalities. Countries, nationalities, language. Brazil, Brazilian. Portuguese. Germany, German, German. Canada, Canadian, English, and French. Countries, nationalities, and languages. Canada, Canadian, English and French. United States, American, English. Italy, Italian, Italian. Brazil, Brazilian, Portuguese. Germany, German, German. England, English, English. United Kingdom, British, English. Scotland, Scottish, English. Spain, Spanish, Spanish. Israel, Israeli, Hebrew. Argentina, Argentine, Spanish. Bolivia, Bolivian, Spanish. Cambodia, Cambodian, Cambodian. Chile, Chilean, Spanish. Vietnam, Vietnamese, Vietnamese. Denmark, Danish, Danish. Colombia, Colombian, Spanish. Ecuador, Ecuadorian, Spanish. Egypt, Egyptian, Arabic. El Salvador, Salvadorian, Spanish. Estonia, Estonian, Estonian. 1. Conversations. Where are you from? I'm from Quebec, Canada. What's your nationality? I'm Canadian. What language do you speak? I speak English and French. Where are you from? I'm from Boston, USA. What's your nationality? I'm American. What language do you speak? I speak English. Where are you from? I'm from Rio, Brazil. What's your nationality? I'm Brazilian. What language do you speak? I speak Portuguese and English. Where are you from, Stephanie? I'm from Barcelona, Spain. His name's Frederico. He's from Portugal. He's a delivery man. Her name's Sheila. She's from the United States. She is a businesswoman.
I'm from Italy. Where are you from?
Wow, I love Spain. It's such a beautiful country.
What is his name? His name is... What is her name? Her name is... Where is she from? She is from... Where is he from? He is from... Her name's Danka. She's from Russia. His name's Tom. He's from the United States. His name's William. He's from South Africa. Her name's Ashley. She is from Australia.
Hello, I'm Rosalie. What's your name?
My name's Bruno.
Hello, Bruno. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Brazil too. I'm from São Paulo.
Really? I'm from São Paulo too.
Oh, nice to meet you, Bruno. Where are they from?
This is a photograph of Claude and Holly Duval from Montreal in Canada. They are on a holiday in New York City. Holly is from Canada and Claude is from France. They are married. Holly is a teacher. Her school is in the center of Montreal. Claude is a doctor. His hospital is in the center of Montreal too.
Where is Barcelona? It's in Spain. Where is Beijing? It's in China. Where is Moscow? It's in Russia. Where is Cairo? It's in Egypt. Where is Los Angeles? It's in the United States. Where is São Paulo? It's in Brazil. Where is Sydney? It's in Australia. Where is Tokyo? It's in Japan. Where is London? It's in England. 1. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. 2. What's her name? Her name's Tatiana. 3. What's his name? His name's Bruno. 4. Where's he from? He's from São Paulo. 5. What's this in English? It's a computer. 6. How are you? Fine, thanks. 7. Where's Montreal? It's in Canada. What is it? It's a Japanese camera. Where is it from? It's from Japan. What is it? It's an American car. Where is it from? It's from the United States. What is it? It's Brazilian coffee. Where is it from? It's from Brazil. What are they? They are Spanish oranges. Where are they from? They are from Spain. What is it? It's an English dictionary. Where is it from? It's from England. What is it? It's an Italian bag. Where is it from? It's from Italy. What is it? It's German beer. Where is it from? It's from Germany. What is it? It's French wine. Where is it from? It's from France. Numbers 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21 to 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.